17. Aciari yake ni retired police officer Francis Gathua Kihara na mutigaire Catherine wa Geshi Francis. Maciaranĩirwo na catechist Nicholas Waihenya, Honorable Lilian Wajikwa Francis, Lois Wagoi, Teacher Margaret Nyaguthie, John Kahiwa GTN TV, Mo Gathua Bahati, Sergeant Lucy Gathua, Helen Wagare na Francis Kawahu. Ni son-in-law wa Joseph Kafuro na Eva Wajiro, Francis Karogo na mutigaire Esperanza wa Geshi. Ne brother-in-law wa Ng'ang'a family, Kararo's family, Kimani's family, na Moiru's family. Ota Jesu mzee wa kazi ne akurire akiendagwo nĩ Ngai onado. Na haha akiambĩrĩria kwamba kĩondo kĩa mũtũrĩre wake. Akĩingĩra gĩthomo kĩa 844 na thutha ũcio akĩingĩra gĩthomo-inĩ kĩa igũrũ. Ici nĩ na mwarĩ wa nyina mũheshimiwa Wajiko Lilian wa Francis.
Mzee wa kazi Kihara wa Gathua ambĩrĩirie gĩthomo gĩake Kameroi Primary School mwaka wa 1983 nginya 1989, kũrĩa acokire agĩthamĩra cukuru wa Gobic Boarding Primary School nginya mwaka wa 1993. Mwaka-inĩ wa 1994 nĩ aingĩrire cukuru wa Mũgũnda Secondary na agĩthoma mwaka ũmwe. Agĩcoka agĩthamĩra cukuru wa Gobic Secondary kũrĩa arĩkirie kĩrathi gĩa form 4 mwaka wa 1998. Arĩkia mathomo ma secondary nĩ atuĩkire catechist kanitha-inĩ wa Kameroi Catholic Church nginya rĩrĩa aingĩrire college ya gũthomera ũmemerekia ya Consolata Institute of Communications and Technology CICT mwaka wa 2001.
Mzee wa kazi ta ũrĩa aroĩkaine nĩ andũ aingĩ rũhonge-inĩ rwa ũmemerekia, ararĩ mũndũ mwĩrutĩre wĩra. Ndeto ciĩ
Mzee wa kazi habĩrĩirie wĩra wa ũmemerekia ceceni-inĩ ya Kenya Broadcast Corporation mwaka-inĩ wa 2002 o nginyagia mwaka-inĩ wa 2003. Agĩcoka agĩthamĩra kambuni-inĩ ya Royal Media Services arĩ mũtangathi na ceceni ya Inooro FM. Thutha ũcio nĩ anenehirio na agĩtuĩka mũrũgamĩrĩri wa rũhonge. Thutha ũcio nĩ anenehirio na agĩtuĩka mũrũgamĩrĩri wa rũhonge rwa mohoro thĩinĩ wa ceceni ĩyo nginyagia mwaka-inĩ wa 2018. Mzee wa kazi marĩ ũnyitanĩri na Mũnyĩrĩ Gathua nĩ mahingũrire kĩganda gĩa gũthondeka irio cia mahiũ Animal Feed mwaka-inĩ wa 2000. Thutha ũcio nĩ acokire akĩambĩrĩria ceceni ya Iganjo FM kũrĩa arĩ mũrũgamĩrĩri mũnene. Agĩcoka agĩthamĩra ceceni-inĩ ya Kayo FM kũrĩa ararĩkĩrĩirie. Kihara wa Gathua ta ũrĩa aroĩkaine mĩtambo-inĩ ya ceceni cia rũthiomi rwa Gĩkũyũ nĩ ateithĩtie atangathi aingĩ na andĩki a mohoro gũtuĩka andũ megatũ gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ.
Thimo 18 mũhari wa 22 rauga mũndũ ũrĩa wĩgĩagĩra mũtumia nĩ agĩagĩra na kĩndũ kĩega na nĩ gũtugwo atugagwo nĩ Jehova. Mzee wa kazi nĩ aiyũkirie rĩtana rĩrĩ na ũritũ na akĩhikania ciĩgiĩ kĩhiko gĩake ũranengererio nĩ mũndũ mameremereketie nake thĩinĩ wa ceceni ya Gĩcicio FM, mũndũ wĩtagwo Tabike wa Kamejo.
Kihara hĩndĩ ĩrĩa akinyirie mĩaka yake ya kwĩgĩra mũciĩ nĩ aikangirie maitho ũrĩa anake marĩ ikereka rĩu maikangagia na magĩcemania na nyarari ya wĩthĩ wake nĩyo Janet Wangui. Thutha wa maũndũ na mĩbango kwagĩrĩra kũrĩ mweri 5 wa gatano mwaka wa 2007 makĩhikania kĩhiko gĩtheru kĩrĩa manyitithanirio nĩ Father Romano ũnyitanĩri-inĩ wa mabatha angĩ. Kĩrĩ ta kĩrathimo kĩa ngwatanĩro ĩno nĩ marathimirwo na ciana 3 nĩcio Regan Gathua, Victoria wa Geshi na Gabriel Kafuro. Mĩaka 17 thutha ũcio njamba ĩno nĩonire nĩ wega yandandũre nyũmba yayo na nĩguo yacemanirie na mwendwa wake Catherine Njabi na makĩhikania kĩũgĩkũyũ. Macũngĩrĩra ngemi 4 ikiugwo kuona atĩ nĩ gwaciarĩtwo kana ga kairĩtu mari hamwe magigeta Mikaela Wageshi. Ni mama wa Mark Fidel Kimani, Precious Wairimo, Lynette Wageshi, Chantel Wajiko, Prince Miles Gathua, Eliana Nyada, Taira Wageshi, Chantel Wajiro, Leila Imani Wageshi, Maria Catherine Nogari, Ernest Gathua na Martin Kihara.
Mzee wa kazi ni yuketi dogo yake na Ngai na njira ikoranĩire kuria kaingĩ na kaingĩ akidagira kajira ni ndimo gatoreki kuna uhoro-inĩ wĩgiĩ wĩtĩkio wake ũranengereria mwekwe nĩ mwandĩki wĩkũranĩire wa kaunti ya Nyeri Theuri wa Bogo.
Mzee wa kazi kihara wa gathua atũrĩte arĩ mũkristiano mũrũmu wa kanitha wa gatoreki na thutha wa gũthoma kĩrĩra nĩabatithirio tarĩki 2 mweri wa Mũgwanja mwaka wa 1989 nĩ Father Romano Philippi wa Mũgũnda Parish. Akoretwo arĩ mũrũmu wa kanitha wa Queen of Apostles Kasarani na St. Lucia Parish Mebre. Akoretwo arĩ moderator kuma mwaka wa 2018 nginyagia mwaka wa 2023. Ararĩ mwĩrutĩri wĩra-inĩ wa Ngai mũno harĩ waki wa makanitha.
Ndwari mzee wa kazi kihara wa gathua akoretwo arĩ na ũgima mwega wa mwĩrĩ nginyagia June mwaka ũyũ rĩrĩa ambĩrĩirie gũthĩnio nĩ mwĩrĩ. Akoretwo akĩrigitĩrwo thibitarĩ-inĩ wa KU Referral Hospital, thibitarĩ-inĩ wa KU, thibitarĩ-inĩ wa Kenyatta National Hospital, kũrĩa ningĩ ararigitagĩrwo akĩinũkaga. Kũrĩ tarĩki 21 mweri wa kenda mwaka wa 2024 nĩ ahatĩrĩirio nĩ mwĩrĩ na agĩkoma thibitarĩ-inĩ wa KU Referral ũrĩa akoretwo akĩrigitwo thĩna wa gĩthũri, wagi wa platelets, ũndũ ũrĩa wacũngĩrĩirwo nĩ lung cancer. Ona thutha wa arĩa maramũrigitaga kũmũtangĩkĩra nĩ ahirwo nĩ mwĩrĩ na kũrĩ tarĩki 13 mweri wa 10 mwaka wa 2024 thaa 10:27 cia rũcinĩ akĩhurũkio nĩ Mwathani. Nĩ atiga endo ake erĩ Janet Wangui Kihara na Catherine Jambi Kihara ũndũ ũmwe na ciana ciao 4. Thĩinĩ wa ibuku rĩa Johana 11 mũhari wa 25 nake Jesu akĩmwĩra atĩrĩ, nĩ niĩ kũriũka na nĩ muoyo, ũrĩa wothe ũnjĩtĩkĩtie ona akua nĩ agatũũra muoyo. Uruka thayũ mzee wa kazi Kihara wa gathua. Rĩu tũthomerwo rũgano rũrũ na rũthiomi rwa kĩngeno nĩkĩo gĩthũngũ na mũratawe wa hakuhĩ na ningĩ mũmemerekia wetagwo Muthi the Voice.
Martin Kihara Gathua was born in Garissa District Hospital, in Nigeria on 23rd of May 1977. He was the son of retired police officer Francis Gathua Kihara and the late Catherine Wangeshi Francis. He was a dear brother to catechist Nicholas Waihenya, Honorable Lillian Wanjiko Francis, Lois Wangoi, teacher Margaret Nyagodhie, John Kahio of GTN TV, Gathua Bahati, Sergeant Lucy Gathua, Helen Wangari, Francis Kawahu. He was the son-in-law to Joseph Kafuru, Eva Wanjiro, Francis Karogo, and late Speranza Wagashi. He was brother-in-law to Kaburu's family, Nanga's family, Kararo's family, Kimani's family, and Muiru's family. Education. Mzee Wakazi Kihara wa Gathua started his early education at Kameruni Primary School in 1983 to 1989. Thereafter, he transferred to Gobit Boarding Primary School in 1993. In 1994, he enrolled in Mugunda Secondary School for 1 year, after which he transferred to Gobit Secondary School and sat for his KCSE in 1998. After his KCSE school education, he became a catechist in Kameruni Catholic Church, and in 2001, he enrolled in Consolata Institute of Communications and Technology, CICT, for his journalism course. His work. Mzee Wakazi started his media career in Kenya. Mzee Wakazi started his media career in Kenya Broadcasting Corporation, KBC, from the 2002 to 2003. Later on, he joined Royal Media Services as a presenter at Inoro FM. He was promoted and became the head of news department until 2018. Mzee wa Kazi, together with Mwenyere Gathua, started an animal feed processing company in 2019. And thereafter, he opened a radio station, Iganja FM, where he was a general manager. And he later joined Ciao FM, where he worked until his demise. Kihara wa Gathua, as he was known to many vernacular Kikuyu radio stations, helped support many young and upcoming radio presenters. He's married. Mzee wa Kazi Kihara wa Gathua met and married the love of his life, Janet Wagoi, in holy matrimony on the 5th of May 2007. They were blessed with 3 children, Frank Regan Gathua, Victoria Wagashi, and Gabriel Kaforo. Later on, he met Catherine Jabi and married on Kikuyu customary law. They were blessed with 1 child, Michaela Wagashi. He was uncle to Mark Fidel Kimani, Precious Wairimo, Lynette Wagashi, Chantel Wajiko, Prince Miles Gathua, Eliana Nyada, Tyra Wangeshi, Chantel Wanjero, Leila Imani Wangeshi, Maria Catherine Nogari, Ernest Gathua, and Martin Kihara Church. Martin Kihara was a staunch member of the Catholic faith. After catechism, he was baptized on the 2nd of July 1989 by Father Romano Philippi of Ogonda Parish. He has been a strong member of Queen of Apostles Kasarani Church and St. Lucia Parish Memble. He was a moderator from 2018 to 2023. Martin was dedicated to the work of God and much more to the development and building of the churches. Sickness and demise. Mzee wa Kazi Kihara has enjoyed maximum good health until June this year, when he started ailing. He's being treated at KU Referral Hospital and KNH as an outpatient. And on 21st of September 2024, he felt unwell and was admitted at KU Referral Hospital, where he was treated for chest pains and lack of platelets, which was diagnosed to be lung cancer. Doctors worked tirelessly to save his life, but his health deteriorated and succumbed to illness on 13th of October 2024 at 4:27 a.m. He's survived by his wives, Janet Wagoi Kihara and Catherine Jabi Kihara, and 4 children. Jesus told her, "Believes and believes in me will never die." That is a verse from John chapter 11 and verse 25.
Naru rugano rwa jaba ya mohoro. Mzee wa Kazi Martin Kihara wa Gathua tũrewareherwo nĩ thuna ciake matongoretio nĩ theuri wa Mbogo kuma kaunti ya Nyeri. Muthi the voice ucio warĩkia gũthoma na rũthiomi rwa Gĩthũngũ, Mheshimiwa Lilian Wajikwa Francis Njuki wa Waime, na our master of ceremony Tabike wa Kamejo ni njĩtagwo Ephraim Anthony Mugo.
Asante sana, tuwapigie makofi mazuri.
Wĩra thirikari cia kaunti ĩrĩa ĩkoretwo ĩtũmĩrĩte igũrũ kwaga mbeca rĩu ĩrorete kũrahũka. Mũgambo ũcio nĩ Joy Wanawigwa. Niĩ njĩtagwo Mzee wa Kazi Kihara wa Gathua, na kwa mĩaka mĩingĩ akoretwo agĩgũtambũrũkĩria mohoro kuma ceceni-inĩ mwanya mwanya. Nĩ matemo ma mohoro na ngũnyite ũrĩ mũthikĩria wa ceceni.
Na tribute cia mbere tukwenda gwĩta mũtumia wake Janet and her family, nigetha kũngĩhotekeka family ĩyo ĩgoke marĩ othe haha mathome rũgano. Twĩna ya mũtumia Janet, son Gathua, daughter Vicky, na son Gabu. Nigetha tũkoke haha ũguo wega na no hoe thank you ini hagie na mũndũ hihi ũngĩhota kũmanyitĩrĩra. Tũbangĩte raithi ũguo, twambĩrĩrie na ya mũtumia Janet, coke Gathua, daughter and son. Ũguo na njĩra ĩyo njega ũguo no tũheo.
Hello, the time.
God is good.
My name is Esther, and I'll read a tribute for Wagoiwa Kihara as she has put it down. Kihara Wagoi was a kind and generous man. He was thoughtful in his work and his life. He always had a smile for everyone he met, and no one was a stranger for long. He always had time to chat with anyone, whether be in line at the supermarket or at the bus stop. Kihara was always there to lend an ear. I remember when we first met at a bus stop, Tirum, 2 decades ago. We boarded a matatu to Nyeri. Throughout our journey, we chatted about politics, and just before we parted ways, Kihara said, something tells me when niwe mutumia wakwa. We kept talking on a daily basis, and quickly he became a permanent fixture in my life. And before long, I didn't know how I could live without this cheerful soul. Kihara loved his family unconditionally. He always made time for his kids and never missed their events. The most recent one being Gabriel's first Holy Communion. And to the extended family, we always hosted his siblings who came to live with us. Happened without Kihara's endless compassion. Kihara was a kind and gentle soul. He was always quick to help anyone around him. He was a hard worker and took a lot of pride in his work. At work, he was the joker, and he would always keep spirits high. Even when there were advertisements to be met, the goalposts would mysteriously shift. He was a man who knew his worth and always tried to make everyone around him feel good. He was a loving husband, a caring father, and a loyal friend. Kihara always put others before himself and never complained about the hardships of life. He never let the negativity of the world get him down. He had some difficult cuts in life, but he never let them get him down. Kihara has been the strongest person I've ever known. He lived a healthy life up until very recently when he fell sick. He kept it to himself as he didn't want to bother anyone. His sickness and death have been the most difficult thing I have had to deal with. Watching him at his lowest, fighting for his life was extremely difficult. We'll take care of our kids just as you would have wished. They are because of our love. I will miss your golden voice, the light moments we shared, and everything about you. I remember the last day at home. Kihara woke me up at night. Okira goheka mushene. And we both laughed our hearts out. Kihara will be remembered as a person with larger-than-life personality and a generosity that match it. As we lay him to rest today, we know your soul and spirit is with us. Thank you all for gathering here today to say goodbye to the man that I loved for decades. Fare thee well, Kihara Wagoi, till we meet again. See you in the next life.
Hello, my name is Regan Frank Gathua, firstborn of the late Martin Kihara Gathua and Janet Wangoi Gathua, and this is my tribute to them. Dear Dad, I am happy to cherish all the memories we had all together as a family. We have been through ups and downs together as a family, but you have always helped us, motivated us, and always made us to remember that God is our solution. When I look at your story, you are a true product of God's favor, blessing, and a testimonial success. You have now left a mark and a legacy in the media industry, for we all know Chitabo Kihara Wagathua was your catchphrase. You supported all your siblings through thick and thin, until they are the great men and women they are today. Your family has always loved you, for you took the noble duty of providing the father figure. I personally dedicate all my success to you. The talk which you gave me ever since I was young, you always told me that I have no limits and that nothing can hold me down. From all the competitions my siblings and I took part in, to my sisters and my TCPE, they are all product of you and Mom's support. You left a huge mark in our hearts, dear Dad. Your passing has devastated your family. We all saw that you are in pain, but God has decided to put you in a place without pain, eternal rest, peace, and joy. May you praise God forever and ever, for He has been a testimony in your life and our lives. I, Regan Frank Gathua, Promise to be strong for my family, take care of them, and also pick your legacy and make it even greater. Your last wish was to see me pass my KCSE, and I will make sure that wish is granted. My Gathua family will forever worship, pray.
Here with us anymore, but I'm happy that you are no longer in pain, Dad. May your soul rest in eternal peace. Your loving daughter, Wangeshi.
Hi, my name is Gabriel Kaburu, and this is my father's tribute. Dear Dad, thank you, Dad, for all you have done for us. I thank you for all the good things you have done for us, like taking us shopping, paying school fees, buying us stationery, and treating us well. May your soul rest in peace with the angels in heaven. God in heaven, may you live a peaceful and glorious life, praising the Lord in heaven. Your loving son, Kaburu.
Thank you. Family ya Janet hamwe na ciana ciake. Utwathi family wengi Jabi wa Kihara na the daughter tribute ciao moke haha ge mundu kumateithiriria kumanyitirira wega uguo.
God is good.
All the time.
And all the time.
God is good.
On behalf of the Karongos family, I stand here with my sister to read her tribute and that of her daughter. It has been 23 years of journeying together since we first met in college. We have experienced joy, laughter, tears, curveballs, and more importantly, love. I remember when you started getting sickly, and we would joke about the weight loss, that it will get you to the recommended BMI. But we soon realized it was not a normal weight loss, and we sought medical care, first at KU referral, then at the Kenyatta National Hospital. Never in my wildest thoughts would I have imagined that you'd be gone so soon. It's hard to believe that you are no longer with us. I miss your sense of humor, your Saturday dance to Roga Roga, our 3 a.m. prayer session, your selflessness, your special bond with each of the children. You will forever be in our hearts. May God grant you a merciful judgment. Through it all, we give thanks to God. And as you like saying, Gaibere, rest in peace, my dear husband. Allow me to please just read a very quick one from Michaela, who wrote this with me. We were reading it together. Dear Dad, this is Michaela Wangeshi. I wanted to let you know that you're going to be fine with the angels and God. God is going to heal you in heaven, and you will stop feeling pain. You will get better and better in heaven. I will miss the way you used to play with me and Gabu. You were so much fun, especially when you would scream in a low voice and scare us. You wanted the best for us, and you taught us Kikuyu and Kiswahili. I guess you wanted us to follow your footsteps. My favorite moment was when you were teaching us how to say the student pledge and public speaking, how to say our names in front of people. It was so much fun. You are the best dad. I will miss you, and I will miss how you used to take us shopping to buy chicken and ice cream, how you would let me play with Gabu at the Garden City, and how you always prayed with me, Mom, and Gabu before we went to sleep. I will miss making you happy. You used to love sending me to get you some water or some porridge from Auntie in the kitchen. Daddy, I know you're going to be fine. You're going to be better, and I miss you so much. God bless you, Daddy, and we love you so much. Your daughter, Michaela. Thank you.
Thank you. No to the